Welcome back to Elevate Life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of upcycling, where we transform old, unused items into new treasures. Upcycling is a fantastic way to reduce waste and get creative. Let's get it started. Today we're going to explore 10 amazing upcycling projects that will help you turn old items into beautiful, functional pieces. Upcycling is not only fun but also a great way to contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Let's jump right in. Project 1: Glass Jar Lanterns. Our first project is transforming glass jars into charming lanterns. Clean your jars thoroughly, apply a coat of primer if needed, and get creative with paint and decorations. Once dry, place a tea light inside for a cozy glow. Project 2: Pallet Wood Shelves. Next up, let's turn wooden pallets into rustic shelves. Dismantle the pallets, sand the wood, and assemble your shelf with nails and brackets. You can paint or stain it to match your decor. Project 3: T-shirt tote bags. Let's make a stylish tote bag from an old t-shirt. Cut off the sleeves and neckline, then sew or glue the bottom hem closed. Turn it right side out and decorate with fabric paint or markers. Project 4: Wine cork coasters. Wine corks can be upcycled into unique coasters. Cut the corks in half lengthwise and arrange them in a circle or square. Use hot glue to secure them together. Project 5: Tin can planters. Tin cans make perfect planters. Clean them thoroughly, remove labels, and paint them in your favorite colors. Add some soil and your favorite plants for a cute mini garden. Project 6: Denim pocket organizer. Repurpose old jeans into a handy pocket organizer. Cut out the pockets, arrange them on a fabric backing, and sew them in place. Hang it up for stylish storage. Project 7: CD mosaic picture frame. Create a stunning mosaic picture frame with old CDs. Cut the CDs into small pieces and glue them onto a plain frame. The reflective surface adds a unique touch. Project 8: Sweater mittens. Turn an old sweater into cozy mittens. Trace your hands on the sweater, cut out the shapes, and sew them together. Perfect for chilly days. Project 9: Plastic bottle bird feeder. Make a bird feeder from a plastic bottle. Cut openings for the birds, add a perch, and fill with birdseed. Hang it in your garden to attract feathered friends. Project 10: Bookshelf from crates. Create a unique bookshelf from wooden crates. Paint the crates, stack them in your desired arrangement, and secure them with screws. Great for a rustic look. Benefits of upcycling. Upcycling not only helps reduce waste but also allows you to create personalized, one-of-a-kind items. It's a wonderful way to express your creativity, save money, and make a positive impact on the environment. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see something old and worn transformed into something new and beautiful. Have you tried upcycling before? I'd love to hear about your projects and ideas. Share your creations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. See you next time on Elevate Life.